We must stop the following fake news. There are fake news around. Salvation through good works, salvation through religion, salvation through baptism, purgatory. These are fake news. Salvation is through Jesus Christ alone. I don't care who mocks me. I'll say it boldly. I'd rather stand with God and be rejected by the world than stand with the world and be rejected by God. Now, the Bible makes it very clear that when it comes to the eternal issue of death and hell and heaven, you can have a ticket. You don't have to fly standby. Some of you, if the truth were known, you don't know whether or not you'd be in heaven or hell.